Dear students, today we are here with a new topic, that is prostaglandins. In this session, we will study about their types, synthesis, pharmacological actions and bit detail about their uses. So let us start with prostaglandins. First, prostaglandins, these are unsaturated fatty acid derivatives. Unsaturated fatty acid derivatives. Fatty acid derivatives. These contain 20 carbon atoms in their structure and one or more double bonds in their structure. These are present in our body. Now, occurrence. Occurrence of prostaglandins. It has been found that their richest source is seminal fluid. Seminal fluid. These are mostly present in the seminal fluid. Hence, these were named as prostaglandins because of their origin from the prostatic gland. Besides seminal fluid, they are also present in the tissues of lungs, brain, thymus, pancreas, and kidneys. So this was the occurrence of prostaglandins. These were first discovered by Van Euler in 1935. This was about the occurrence. Now, types of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are of several types, like types PGE1, PGE2, PGD2, PGF2 and PGI2. The various types of prostaglandins are in the form of PGE1, PGE2, PGD2, F2 and I2. Now, coming to the synthesis of prostaglandins. Synthesis. Prostaglandins are synthesized from essential fatty acids that are present in our body. These combine with the phospholipids which come from cell membrane. These result in the formation of arachidonic acid. This arachidonic acid undergoes further reactions to form prostaglandins. In presence of an enzyme cyclooxygenases. So, these are synthesized from the dietary fatty acids which combine with the phospholipids. These come from cell membrane. It results in the formation of arachidonic acid which due to action of cyclooxygenases get converted into prostaglandins. So this was about the synthesis of prostaglandins. Now coming to the pharmacological actions of prostaglandins. Pharmacological actions. Number one, first, its effect on smooth muscles. Prostaglandins cause contraction of myometrium. Myometrium. Myometrium is the middle layer of uterus. It causes increase in tone and amplitude of contraction. So its effect on smooth muscles is it causes contraction of myometrium. Myometrium is the middle layer of the uterus, where it increases the tone and amplitude of contraction. Now next effect on gastrointestinal tract. Number 2 on GI system. Prostaglandins inhibit gastric acid secretion. Gastric acid secretion. It inhibits the gastric acid to get released, hence causes inhibition of gastric acid secretion, while as it increases mucus secretion. And increases mucosal blood flow. These two effects acts as a cytoprotective effect. They protect from ulcers, peptic ulcers. These two effects protect from peptic ulcers. Next effect is on intestines. It increases intestinal fluid secretion. It causes increase in intestinal fluid secretion. It increases intestinal fluid, which leads to the diarrhea and loss of water and salt. So on gastrointestinal system, it causes protection from peptic ulcers, while as it can also lead to diarrhea, which results in the loss of water and salt. Next effect is on cardiovascular system. In cardiovascular system, it causes peripheral vasodilation. Which leads to the decrease in blood pressure. Next effect is on reproductive organs. Number 4, it helps in fertilization. Fertilization by facilitating the motion of sperm. That is, it facilitates the migration of the sperm, hence helps in fertilization. Next effect is it inhibits platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation is the clumping together of the platelets in the blood clot formation. So it inhibits the clot formation. This was about the pharmacological actions of prostaglandins. Now about its uses. It is used to induce labor. It is used to induce labor. It is used to reduce postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage. Because it reduces the it causes a decrease in postpartum hemorrhage and is used to induce labor. It is used in treatment of peptic ulcers. Peptic ulcers. And is also used for the prevention of platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation. So this was about the prostaglandins. For further details, we will meet in next session. Thank you.